Hi, welcome in this new YouTube video where we're gonna talk about this double bottoms, one of the most famous pattern in trading. So if the double top catches the crash, this double bottom catches the recovery and all the short squeeze. Okay, this pattern personally changed my trading. So what is exactly a double bottom? Let's take a look right now on the chart. So this is just the price is dropping to a support, then bounces, comes back to test the same level and bounces again, and it creates a W shape, okay, and this is the neckline. The neckline is on the high point between the two lows, all right, and confirms and breaks above. The psychology behind this pattern and this setup is that the first low means peak, fear, a peak about the fear, and then we have a bounce, so a simple pullback, and this is just a short covering. The second test right there means that psychologically, is there really more supply or not? Okay, and when it holds, buyers gain confidence and shorts get just trapped right there. Everyone is recovering their short position and bam! This is why it creates a short squeeze just right there when we are breaking this neckline. And why the second test matters? So did volume decrease on this second low? Is there's a selling pressure drying up? Okay, so that means it's very bullish. Or did the second low undercut the first slightly before reversing? That's a spring week off. Okay, papa. Spring week off, traps sellers and launches harder to the upside. Okay, so it's even more nice if we have a wick, okay, below, and boom, instantly we are coming back to the upside. So bullish divergence on RSI MACD at second low right there. Lower price, higher indicator means major confirmation. Okay, so let's take a look at some example right now. Second example right there, boom, another down, okay, boom, W shape, resistance. This is the neckline. When to set the target, you're just taking the height between the top of this W and the bottom of this W. You project it to the breakout, okay, and then it's giving you your initial target right there, and bam, wonderful, awesome buy signal right there. You just need to hold it, and then this market is gonna hit your target. So how to trade it? Then you could just entry number one, you just could buy at neckline breakout on candle close above, okay. Then the entry number two is buy at near second bottom, okay. So right there, if you seeing that we are rejecting these bottoms, why not try to attempt a trade and an entry right there after the rejection on this bottom? But that's a more aggressive approach. And the entry number three is buy this neckline retest. So you can see that we are breaking it, and bam, just right there we are retesting it, this neckline, and this is a nice entry with lower risk and more confirmation to buy the retest. But this retest is not happening every time, okay. Then your stop loss just below these double bottom lows, okay, and your target, as I said, you just report the high, from the top to the bottom of this W shape, project it at the breakout, and then it's giving you your target. Let's see at another example right there. Boom, down, first bottom, top, second bottom just lower than his previous one. We have this neckline, we are testing it right there, then breaking it, retest, pullback, and really this pullback was a really wonderful entry right there. You're just taking the high from the neckline to line which is connected to the first bottom to the second bottom. Boom, you project it right there, and approximately around here it's giving you this market, giving you your target. Okay, let's take a look at this last example. So nice W shape, okay, low one, low two, neckline, we are breaking it, bam, and right there you have your target. Wonderful. So what it makes extra powerful, this setup, because it forms at major daily weekly support level, okay, and not in 1 minute, 5 minutes time frame. Then if you have a bullish divergence on RSI or at second low, it's even more powerful. Then the neckline, this neckline break on above average volume, it's giving you more confirmation that it's gonna work, this setup, okay? And the last one is that overall market context supports reversal, for example, macro catalyst, VIX, peaking, or extreme fear. The common mistakes on this setup is that buying at first bottom, thinking it's a double bottom, you need two tests, okay? The second mistake is that getting scared out during second test, or right here, that's where the opportunity is, or I want to mean the biggest opportunity. And one of the last mistake is that entering too early inside this W shape without waiting this neckline break confirmation. So this is it for this video about this double bottom. It's a very simple pattern, okay? So to recap, 2 holds at support plus declining volume on the second support, okay? Then neckline breakout and boom, strong buy, okay? So make sure, if you liked it, to put a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are doing it every day from Monday to Friday, trading these kind of patterns and price action in live on the trading live stream on the Phidias Prop Firm YouTube channel. So I invite you, if you are curious, to watch it. And I'll see you in the next one. It was Florian. Bye bye bye!
Yo, his name is Florian. He's the NASDAQ hustler. Every day he's grinding, making all them numbers cluster. He's a day trader, living life as a thrill seeker. Analyzing charts, he's the Wall Street sneaker. 9 to 5 ain't his game, it's the stock market flow. Tickers on his mind, watching those numbers grow. Buy low, sell high, that's the